All right, we went to dinner with our friends. Now we're back, and we're at nighttime.
Going into ghost town.
There's a ghost town at night.
Hang on.
Very cool. We did not get to go on the Calico stagecoach because they closed down at night. So we're making our way over to the Calico mine ride. All right, here we are, Calico mine ride. Almost there. All right, we made it onto the ride. Popcorn down there. Got a sign maker down there. Calico Saloon over there.
The belly of old Mother Earth's always a churning and boiling. Many a miner swung his stick into the ground in search of gold, only to have her belch right in his face. No, that ain't very ladylike. I'll take the stairs. Just up ahead is the pride of the Calico mine, the famous glory hole. There's gold in there ahead, and we aim to put that gold in these here pockets. Any of these fellas ever caught a one. I wonder why.
That's new. Hey, this guy's new.
Now y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted.
We're down at 3,000 foot level. If that's right. Wowee! What a sight! Just look at all them formations. Stalactites and stalagmites. Them big ones must be 1,000,000 years old. you lose it? Seldom seen Flint down himself a whopper.
That's new too.
We're at the tip of the old glory hole now, where we dug out over $80 million worth of glorious gold. Look at that little thing. That was a keg of dynamite.
They're all zombies. Backside of water.
You know, all that dynamite makes me a tad nervous. I'd much rather be out here on this rickety old trestle. And by much, I mean not much at all. But keep your hands and arms inside and don't make any sudden movements. Now we're going into one of the newest parts of the mine. Not much to see. Right to open up a path. Holy mackerel! They're blasting! Open that throttle brake! Let's vamoose!
That train has set the charges. It's too late. They're ready.
Hey, slow that train down. There's blasting ahead.
Yeah! Looks like we made it out just in time, folks. That was too
Alrighty folks, once this train has come to a full and complete stop, y'all will be able to stand up and lift up on our little feet. Please do not hop over the side of the car. I'll be around on
Listen to. Oh, here's our trailer. No. Chuck Soup Kitchen.
Look at
Cryptic cave crystals. Oh
Ex-boyfriend.
my word.
that. Ex-boyfriends. Send that to Jacob.
Potions, candies, and
Rachel's
elixirs.
Retreat Bra.
Rachel's Retreat and Spa. Oh, wart enhancements. Here's the ex-boyfriend's house. Ha ha ha. Drink up, witches. Celia Cellar. Drink up, witches.
Look at all the different zombies.
So, we're done here at Knott's Berry Farm. We had a great time. We're heading back to our motel, and then we'll be going to Disney tomorrow.
All right, here we are saying goodnight to Knott's Berry Farm. Until next time.
See you soon.